And this story, we're gonna learn a really, 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 really important lesson. You have to listen really carefully. Easy peasy, lemon squeezy. Once upon a time, there was a boy who took care of sheep. Every day he took the sheep in the hills. His job was to look at the sheep and keep them safe. But the boy was bored. He wanted to have fun. One day he shouted, "Wolf, wolf!" And the villagers came running. But there was no wolves. The boy was laughing and said it was just a joke. Then the villagers got sad. They got back. The next day, he did the same thing again. He shouted, "Wolf, wolf!" The villagers came running. Again, but again, there's no wolf. He laughed again and said again, "I was just joking." Again. The villagers were really sad. Then they got. The third day, there was a real wolf came. He was really scared. He shouted, "Help! Help! Wolf! Wolf!" But no one believed him. No one believed the boy. Then he was really scared. He ran away. Then the wolf was chasing the sheep. Then the wolf ate them. The boy learned the lesson that he will never lie again. And you guys also don't lie. All people won't believe you when you really tell the truth. See you in the next video. Put me a like, share, subscribe. Bye!